And now the next exercise we are going to do has less to do with pigs, as the ones in the nursery rhyme, but more to do with owls. Listen to this owl sing. Hoo, 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 hoo. Can you do that? And then we replace the h with the t and go tu, 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 tu. It goes like this. Hoo, 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 hoo. Can you join me? Let's try it together. First 3 whoos, then another 3, and then 5. Here we go. And hoo, 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 hoo. And then we add a t, and we do it again. Tu, 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 tu. Until we have no air left. Can you feel it pushing somewhere in your body? Where is it pushing? I think I know. I can feel something pushing by my tummy. Yes, that's correct. It's by our stomach, because we have a muscle by our stomach which pushes the air up through the lungs, out of our mouth and into the recorder.